Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a 3D model with Autodesk step by step clearly. Open Autodesk and create a new project. Select the appropriate template for your 3D model. Familiarize yourself with the interface and tools available. Begin by sketching the basic outline of your model. Use the line tool to draw the main shapes. Ensure that your sketch is fully constrained for accuracy. Extrude your 2D sketch into 3D by selecting the extrusion tool. Set the desired height for your extrusion. Add additional features using the sketch tool as needed. Utilize the revolve tool for any cylindrical shapes. Incorporate fillets and chamfers to smooth edges. Use the mirror tool to replicate features on the opposite side. Continue refining your model by adding details and elements. Adjust materials and textures to enhance realism. Inspect your model from multiple angles to check for any flaws. Save your work frequently to prevent data loss. Once satisfied, prepare your model for rendering. Select the appropriate lighting and backdrop for the render. Render the final image and review the result. Make any necessary adjustments for a polished finish. Export your model in the desired file format. Your 3D model is now complete and ready for sharing or printing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.